To add your favorite split screen apps pair shortcut to Edge panel in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open two apps you commonly use together in split screen view. As the example, we will open Gmail and Calendar. Next, tap Recent button. Single tap Gmail app icon and then select open in split screen view. Next, select the second app, in this case select calendar. To add this app's pair shortcut to Edge panel, tap on the three-dot menu in the division line and then select the star icon. Now select Apps Edge panel to add a shortcut of the apps pair to the App Edge panel. Tap Home button to quit from the split screen view. Now drag the Edge panel handle. In the Apps panel, find the apps paired shortcut that you have added before. Tap the shortcut to easily launch the app together in split screen view. Given to the function, you can do this for easier access to a couple of apps you commonly use together. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.